Nowadays, knowing I'm not with the waiting. No, I do not hit the patience. Yeah, diamonds they waiting, I'm racist. Yeah, pull up, I hop and get facelift. Yeah, my niggas they really take shit. Yeah, everything I do evasive. Yeah, I really came from the basement. Yeah, ride my curb out, ain't no payments. Yeah, no, I do not need that bitch. She moving too basic.
What up?
I don't want none of her energy. That girl, she's moving too basic. Acting like she is so into me, but I can tell this girl faking. I'm in the cut like a motherfucking doctor, but no, I do not got no patience. No, I do not got no patience. That because these niggas, they not relate. Never run money on
Apology video. Ask Broly for apology video. I was Broly. I was just chilling. But yo, hashtag ban Broly. Hashtag ban Broly. Wow. Go. I just woke up and I see GJ. I'm like, wow, is that 300 pips? Did this thing just stop 300 pips within like a minute? Within like 8 minutes? Like, GIF market operation. What is GIF market operation? What is GIF market operation, chat? Bank of England announces gilt market operation. Gilt market operation. So what did all these other pairs do then? Like, what did GBPJPY do? Oh, nice. It flew too, but only flew 150 pips. And then you had GJ that flew 200 pips and then dropped. You know, while I was looking at though, because did I see how this candle opened up here and it had no this candle had no bottom wick, right? So I was looking at a sell stop. I was looking at a sell stop, but it literally happened the moment like I saw it. So I didn't have time to react or I didn't have time to do anything. But I was looking at a sell stop and a flip, because if this candle had no bottom wick, opened up, if it flips, it has a high chance to drive down. It at least gives like a 4-8 pip range. So I was looking at that and using like the flip as a stop, like having like a 3 pips, like a 5 to 10 pip stop, right, to cover spreads. But obviously like I didn't even have time to do anything. It just by the time I came back, I looked at it. By the time I went to my MT5, just dropped like 80 pips. I'm like, okay, well, at least the breakdown is there, right? But yeah, that's what happened in price there. I'm like, wow, we've been cool, we've been neat. But chat, what's going on? Good morning, we're back. So it was just one day, you know, it wasn't like I was gone for like 2 days or something. Your favorite streamer takes the day off all the time, right? Is this an control effect? No. Ask Broly. It just happened to be to be on the same day I took a day off at. Did you see Discord? Yeah, I saw all of that. I woke up at like 8. I'm like, these guys are freaking out right now. I love it. So I went back to bed. No, I'm kidding. I saw it, but then I think, well, we have a video drop anyways at 12. So I'm like, hey, we might as well just build anticipation for the video. But that wasn't the point. I just wanted to chill yesterday, honestly. I just wanted to chill yesterday. Chat, but and I'll get into that later. So today is basically the second last day of October, or the second last day of October, or of September. Moving on to October. Today is pretty crucial day. I guess you can say we have oh no, sorry, no, we had no news today. We had no news on Friday. Yeah, no news today. It's just goods trade balance at 8:30, Meyer folders, some orange folders at 10 a.m. Not too worried about. Thursday you have GDP for Canadian dollar, unemployment claims tomorrow, and then Friday you have core PCE price index. So core PCE price index should be pretty interesting. It's basically a red folder, so that's the only red folder you have for the week. So it's pretty important. And why didn't you guys tell me my mic was You guys hear that? That sound? Like that, a buzz? Is that better? Yeah. Okay, that's better. Yeah, you have core PC price index, and then I think that's it. And then I think Friday you have Canadian bank holiday for Canada, but I don't think I'm gonna be doing anything. So I don't know what this is. National Day of Truth and Reconciliation. I don't remember. I don't know what this is. I know we have Thanksgiving soon, but what is this on the 31st? There's Thanksgiving, October 10th. And you guys have Columbus Day. All right, cool. All right, chat. So let's get into this analysis real quick. You have 8 minutes left for disclosure. Let me just send the Zoom link, and then we'll get things started. Look at gold. Yeah. I can imagine. I could imagine. How you guys doing though? You guys doing the chat? It's been a long day for you guys, but I think yesterday was pretty decent. All right. Send the Zoom link as we speak, and then we'll get this analysis started, and then we'll be cool. We'll be great. We'll be great for these buys potentially in about 6 minutes here. All right, chat. All right. Paste that. I was looking at stream yesterday. Yes, caught gold right? I saw gold sales last night. Pretty great. All right, so let's do this analysis. All right, so right now you have currently we are looking at GJ here. So GJ for the weekly, as you can see, is looking pretty bearish this week. It looks like we have closed below this range to the left hand side. So what this indicates is this now indicates that we're breaking back into this range here, right, on a weekly time frame on GJ, which means you should come down a fill the range, which basically they get tapped. As you can see, you have some type of rejections over to the left hand side over here. Rejections, support. This comes up resistance. You close below, it means you're breaking back into it. And then since your next support is down here, right, this is your next support. Rejections. That's where price should pop down too, which is exactly what price did this week. 150 did get tapped. I think they got tapped on Sunday though. And then what's happening now is we're just starting to, I think, range off the daily, I believe. Yeah, so the daily, I believe, is still heavily bearish. I believe tomorrow will be a much cleaner day because tomorrow you'll have more so of direction. I'll tell you guys why in a second here. So the reason why I believe that is because there is a resistance here off the daily right around here, right? And you see how price closed below on that Sunday. So it closed below, obviously, and that's what caused price to drop down Sunday. Now if we're going to continue down the bearish trend, you need to hold this resistance, right? You need to respect this resistance. And what did price do yesterday? Closed bullish, but it closed bullish respecting the resistance. So we're still respecting. We're not breaking above. Once you break above, okay, different story. Price may drive up to create resistance. But until you actually close above, at any given point, price can drive down, right? Look at this. This is a bullish candle. This does not confirm resistance, by the way. This does not confirm resistance. What confirms resistance though is if you close bearish here in 3 minutes, or sorry, in 10 hours and 33 minutes off the daily. If you close bearish like this today, then tomorrow's candle should be a pretty decent day, because tomorrow's candle will likely just drop down and fill the bottom of the range, doing something like this, right? And they will eventually fill that day a wick. But you need to close bearish today first. So it comes down to today. Today is a very crucial and important day. Who knows? You might even get the seller replay because this is a seller replay. So technically, it could even drive down today for all we know. But today, tomorrow should be a much tomorrow should be a much clearer day. Today could be a clearer day. But yeah, it comes down to a small time for today. Today will come down to a small time frame. Tomorrow will come down to the higher time frame. So today I'll look for sells if you close below here. If you start to close below the support to the left at 153.514, I'll look for sells below there coming down, and then we'll retrace the part of the move for sells coming down towards 151.85. It's either sells below there or yeah, around here. Sells below this level to the left hand side, 153.390. The range going down here is around 160 pip range going down off 30-minute time frame. So lots of volume, lots of range. Just be patient. As for gold here, gold, I would probably just, let's see, let me just mark this up real quick. I forgot. Sells below here, closures. All right, so gold here. Gold off the weekly, as you can see, it's pretty bearish. You came down, you finally tapped 16.17. We're a little late on that. I think we were like 2 days late on that. We mentioned last week that was that weekly target. We tapped it a week and 2 days later. A little off, but still tapped the weekly target we had in mind, because looking left, this is literally all clean traffic to the left hand side, right? Coming down towards the bottom of the range there. So there's that on gold. The daily was, the day today is technically it's a bullish day. The reason why I say that is because it's a bullish candle closure today. You have found support, right? Which doesn't mean the weekly is like bearish, which doesn't mean like the whole entire like we're gonna reverse. But technically speaking, with the fact that we're closing bullish here at the support, there's a high chance that price could do something like this. It could flip bullish after creating a bottom wick for the previous daily candle, which had no bottom wick, and to fill the wick to drive up. This is what I'm kind of expecting today, like 16.44 to get tapped, 16.40, nothing too crazy, not a reverse or anything, but just enough for us to find a resistance, because you do have the information to the left that we did close bullish. But comes down to a small time frame, of course, right? So looking at the small time frame, if I'm looking for buys today, I would probably look for buys, I want to say above here. I want to say above here, because above here you have nice range going up to fill this range at 16.40. All right, a break above there would be pretty decent. You do have a support over here. This is a range that you're currently in right now, so that's why price came up to kind of fill the range, and it tapped that level perfectly. But if I'm looking for more buys, I'll look for more buys above 1631.838. Or maybe this wick fill here off the 1 hour candle wouldn't be too bad, but you're gonna need a nice bottom wick here. Or off this 30, you're probably gonna need a nice bottom wick here, because you did close above this resistance here. You do have a range to the left right around here, and you did close above, slightly above. So this kind of flips bullish here. Technically speaking, it should be able to fill the wick for 38 pips here. How big are stops at this 15? Like wide, right? 47. Godly. Yeah. So technically, speaker chat, this is a range 1. This is a range 2. This is a range 2 breakout. This is technically a range 3. Or you can say this is a range 1. Then you can say this is a range 2. This is a range 2 breakout. Anyways, right? Regardless how you look at it. But stops a little wide. Not gonna lie to you guys. Current candle stops wouldn't be too bad off of 30. But it is a bit more aggressive. It's like 10 pip stops. It's a bit more aggressive. You have a nice range going up for like 13 pips minimum, and the rest of the wick fill is 41. But I want to see price come down a little steeper. If it can come down to like 26, 25, we'll have a buy stop on the flip. But yeah, that's gold here. Buys above here wouldn't be bad, technically speaking. Range 2 breakout, and then more buys above here, obviously. So if we can come down to like 25, 24, we'll have a buy stop on the flip. All right, I think, and stops would be like around 26 pips. Not bad. What up, chat, though? How you guys doing? How long will it take them for markets to calm down after news in general? It's not like it's like a folder that was expected. It's like an unexpected folder. So typically with this stuff, I'll ride it with it. I'll ride with it with price action. That's what I'll do. So exactly what I'm doing right now with gold. Oh wow, this is perfect. Q4 coming, chat. That's what that means. Lower lot size season. Chat, I got a buy stop here. At 1628 on a flip. 0.04 on blueberry. Basically the flip, the break of the highs of the count, not the flip, sorry. TP would be like 1631. Stop loss would be the current count low. In this case, stops are going to be around 23 pips. So we broke the highs. We said, nope, need a steeper bottom wick. We got the steeper bottom wick. So with this flip or break of the highs, we should be able to flip and drive up towards minimum. I'm looking at B point to be 1629, 200. This would be the B point to the left hand side. And then we'll have TP at 1631. But stops the current count low. This is all still, stops the current count low. Because it's really impossible for us to use the 1 hour count low, right? It's like it's gonna be like a 120 pip stop. So in this case, using current count lows wouldn't be too bad of an idea. Am I activated? Yeah, I'm activated here, chat. Buy stops got activated. I don't know if I broke the highs on TradingView, but I guess I got activated there off of the break of the highs. Maybe spreads got me. But yeah, got buys got activated here. TP is up here at 1631.953. Stops the current count low for 23 pips. Yeah, I got activated there. They didn't even free flip or on TradingView here. Damn. You made 20K yesterday? No, this is account for Q4 basically. Yeah, I got activated there. Damn, it didn't even break the highs there. Interesting. It's fine. Through the broker, I did. I think so, right? Through the broker, for sure. Check the minute. Yeah, I guess the minute did. The minute like kind of like broke the highs. I want to see it really break the highs here, to be officially in. But yeah, stops over the current count low for basically 24 pips. And then TP is up here for, what was it again? The 36 pip mark around there, right? To the left hand side, 37. But that's the trade that we're in. That's the trade I'm in. Can I re-break the highs there officially so we can feel much better? Almost there, gold. If you guys aren't in yet, I mean, that's fine. I'll wait for the break of the highs. And there it is. Oh, almost. Okay, there we go. Now we are technically officially in. But buy stops get activated here, chat. Or activated earlier. B point is going to be looking left at 1629.178. Probably gonna be closing partials as well potentially. And then letting the rest rock towards either 1631 or 1630. Yeah, around 1631 levels probably is where we're probably close full at. My entry was Blueberry 1628.04. I think this range for going up minimum is like, I think yeah, exactly a 10 pip mark, the 8-9 pip mark. Trades journal. I'll do this after. Mario's going crazy, yeah. With the volume you had there from this pusher on go, I would expect a continuation here. That's why I wanted a closure and a bottom wick, so we can use current count stops to get in. Because if you have this whole push here going up, right, and then you pull back, you pull back for a wick fill. On top of that, you close above this range to the left. This next count should continue to ride up, or at least, if not ride up all the way through, at least ride to like the next resistance here at 1630-ish levels. So that's why I was kind of looking at here on gold. Nice. So stops are going to be moved to break even here. Look at the level you tap to the left. As you can see, tap that level to the left hand side. So at this point, I will actually close 75% of my positions here at the 18 pip mark. Just close 75%, and now we got runners towards TP. Congrats guys on the positions. But that is the trade that we just took. So W in the chat. But yeah, stops to break even, close 75%, didn't close 50. Close 75%, and you know what I'm gonna do? I should not go ahead and close my full positions here. Nice. Nice. I was like 22 on this channel. Cool. So same trade we took on Monday, just vice versa. You guys remember Monday's trade? Same exact trade, really. You guys remember that trade on Monday? Same exact trade, just this time the opposite direction. But it was just to break back into the range, leaving the wick fill, right? That was basically it. But yeah, guys, welcome back. Q4, baby. I'm gonna count whatever this week as Q4. Okay, so that trade right there was this trade right here that we just took here was basically, that's a 630 trade. Godly, that was mad early. It was gold buys, you can say breakout, current yeah, current high low, definitely current high low, and then 1 hour oh no, off of 30, and then it was full risk, and then we closed half at, I don't know, I guess you say 15, and then we let the rest rock at, or yeah, I guess we can say we closed full at 20 20 after, basically. And then that's that. This other channel, boom, boom, boom. What the hell is playing, bro? Sorry. They closed at 22. Fully. Not bad. 2 days in September, not bad. Hurricane down. Stop chat. That was an early trade. I think it was the earliest trade we took this year, if I'm not wrong. Well, that was great though, because we waited for a steeper wick there. That was pretty crucial. We waited for a steeper wick because when we first created a low, it was like what, 10 pips. I'm like, I don't know. I want to see this tap of most recent support. We came down, tapped the support to the left. Okay, that's enough. That's perfect. So then the buy stop above was fine. I got a little worried earlier because like we didn't break the highs on TradingView, but we got activated. I was like, fuck, because we needed to break the highs on TradingView, right? And then thankfully it came up and broke the highs again, because that's what made price push, the break of the highs. Because if it didn't break the highs, it just activated us, it wouldn't have drove, right? Because it didn't break any highs. It's like we got in because of slippage or something, spreads, right? But luckily it came up to break the highs. Do you think range will continue driving up? Well, that's the important part now, because now that we're breaking back into the range, it's like we don't know what's going to happen here. Price could range here for the entire session, which I don't think so today. We have a lot of volume today, or price can break above here and look to drive up. But at this point, I believe you could get the 1 hour wick fill in about 15 minutes or the same play off the 1 hour time frame, or you can get a closure above 1631.838 for buys above there, going up towards next resistance. But yo, Broly, you can chop it up already, bro. Okay. I don't know if you need it then, but you can chop it up. They broke the highs by 1 pip, which is why we got activated. I think that's what happened on Blueberry too. But the thing with that is like it can break highs on Blueberry, but it doesn't matter because it didn't break a high on TradingView, and we went off of TradingView price, right? So it's fine. Next time we'll just cover for an extra pip or two there. All right, let me just go ahead and make this IG story. Nice. Yeah, Chad, that position that I took last night got slipped, like I think, like, because when I closed it, I think we closed at around like the 12 pip mark, and then by the time I closed it, it came all the way down to like that's 8 pip mark, 7, 8. Thanks for my refund. This is for the prank you did yesterday. Hey, you can go ahead and ban Broly. I mean, talk to Broly about that, you know? You can talk to Broly about that, because that was not me. I was just chilling yesterday. I just needed a day to just relax. Happened to be on a Tuesday, but hey, at least I made up for it. I made up for it, right? I made up for it. Let's see how the rest of the day goes, but I think we made up for the most majority of it. Yo, problematic. Why did you gotta shout Peter out for? You're like, Peter, what happened? What did Peter even say? What did Peter do? I have a headache, man. I need to drink some more water. You're not gonna just chill playing FIFA 23? Hey, how's the game? I think Marcos was streaming yesterday. The fuck was that candle on GG? I know. I woke up to it too, man. I woke up to this candle. I'm like, wow, this candle was 200 pips deep. I know. And I was looking at the sell stop too, but the moment I saw it, it just flew on 8 pips to the target. I'm like, oh, that was a push. That's alright. This third account isn't too bad too. High chance it could drop down here. But stops are 55 pips. Godly. For the range going down to 95, 96. Man, interesting day. It's an interesting day, chat. Interesting day. How's I'm feeling? Wake up, GJ. To go up. It closed bearish. That's the thing. Well, let's see in an hour here or in 10 minutes here because I guess he had a 1 hour closes. If it closes bearish like this, then I would expect this count to drop down next. I wouldn't really say this is a wick fill. I'll say this is more of a rejection because if you're closing bearish here, respecting this resistance to the left hand side, there's a high chance you should look to come down to fill the rest of the range, which takes it down here towards 153.421. But that's next. That's if you close bearish here in 9 minutes here. But if it closes bullish, then different story. You can fill the wick, yeah, for sure. But for that to happen, it needs to close bullish like this, above these ranges to the left, right? As a bullish candle, then you can say you can fill the wick. Because what does a wick fill on a small time frame? A wick fill is just a range form on a small time frame to drive up or to continue in the candle. This isn't a wick fill if it closes bearish here. This is just a rejection. There's a huge difference, right? So in this case, well, we gotta wait and see. 9 minutes left. I'll do a reanalysis in about 9 minutes. Watching a live with the internet. Hey, hopefully one day the profits you make from the streams will give you better internet. Better internet. Chat day is not done yet though. You have a lot of volume today. A lot of volume today. It may be done. Who knows? We may not take a trade for another like 3 hours, or we may not take a trade for another 30 minutes. But what I do know is that it's a very volatile day today. So what I'm looking for next here is just probably a 1 hour wick fill here going up. 1 hour close above its range would be ideal. And then the next 1 hour candle could look to drive up. Same position we just took basically. Towards the target. And then GJ, 1 hour candle breakout lows wouldn't be too bad. Because if you're rejecting this resistance heavily, this being liquidity grab, high chance you create a top wick, you can look to come down. It's just your stops in G today are very wild, man. Very massive stops. Yo, who's in Miami? Who's in Florida right now? And dealing with the hurricane. Is it over? No, right? My head hurts. Damn, I missed chat. I definitely missed chat. I'm in Florida. Pray for me. It's 2 miles per hour away from being on Cat 5. I don't know all this hurricane talk, so I'm not sure what that means, but I would definitely pray for you. Hope all is well, man. Hurricane is scary, man. I can definitely imagine. Even though I've never been in one or been near one. The closest thing I've been to in Toronto was maybe like a tornado that was like probably an hour away from me. We don't get much here. Maybe like an earthquake, but nothing near me at all. And it wasn't even that much, like that big of an earthquake. I'm not sure. I forgot what it was, but it was very low. Winds at 155 miles per hour. Holy shit. That's like what, 200 kilometers an hour? That's insane, man. Damn. That'll blow me. Pause. But that'll definitely blow me. For sure. Get deported. You wear Canada? Hey. What lets you know that there's a lot of volume today? Well, look at the candles. Look at price action. Price action shows that there's a lot of volume today. There's a lot of ranges today. Like there was already enough volume today, so that discussion is over with. The volume was already there. Like that's done. Like there's already enough volume already. Look at this candle on gold here. The last 1 hour candle. This is a 1 hour candle. 150 pips. That's how much you're moving on the average day on gold, right? Or maybe a little less, but still, for an hour candle, GG as well. 1 hour candle, 280 pips. There's a shit ton of volume right now. Shit ton of volume. Look at the 5-minute candles. This 5-minute candle just drove up and down for a total of 30 pips. That's one 5-minute candle. and we're not even 2 minutes into the counter yet. We're a minute and a half. 30 pips. So yes, there's a shit ton of volume today. Shit ton. It's just about getting in on a small time frame, right? What will hit TP? TB? Did it hit B yet? TP. How far are we from TP where we close? Like 12 pips? No, like 20 pips, right? The range going up like, no, 35. I think we closed like 15 pips before TP. Would it's have been, I think it would have hit B, man, to be honest. I think so. Because our entry would have been off the brakes. So that would have been right here, right? So that if that was our entry, maybe this count would have stopped. Maybe, I don't know, because spreads wouldn't have been that wild. Actually, I don't know. I don't think it would have, because this is 2 pips, maybe. I can't really say. But either way, I would have closed there. I probably would have closed the moment it came near. I wouldn't have left it for an extra like 7 pips, you know. Probably would have closed it around there. Because the trade idea is over with now, right? On to the next idea. You have a minute and a half here to pull back for a wick fill. Let's see what happens here. These GGSLs are looking very clean, guys. Very clean GGSLs coming down to foot a wick, but just stops. You gotta worry about really. What up, Shub? Going on? Do you have to switch over US30 next year, man? I think so, maybe. Look at GG's win rate, 67.86. There's a huge drop off from gold and GJ. Like, why? What's missing? Even single channel, it's around the same. 81 to 69. That's a huge difference. Like, something's wrong. Might be GJ. Only 10%. That's a huge drop off. That's a huge difference, though. But look at the overall, and then look at the gold, and look at GJ. Like, something's up with GJ, or me and GJ. My relationship with GJ. We'll see. All right, so the 1 hour count here closed bullish here on gold. So same thing as the 3-minute count earlier, exactly. Like literally the same exact thing. You close above the range. This 1 hour candle likely should come out to foot a wick. Happen like 1631. You just need a bottom wick first. Maybe we might get a second position here. If not, maybe 730. But it's literally the first 30 minutes of the stream today, so. Yep, 1 hour count, you just should continue down as well. Just again, stops. This is what you gotta figure out, right? In this case, there's no top wick, so there's literally no trade here that I would have taken. But this is the idea. This is the range going down. This would have been the B point, and then the range going down would have been the TP of 98 pips here, maybe even like 60. Anywhere in this range would have been the TP. Also been cranking high, but unfortunately, there's no top wick. Same with gold, same idea. Yep, there it goes. Did it hit on Blueberry? Oh, you're still in? Oh, damn. Yeah. There goes the sells. There goes the range fill. So that right there was the difference between a wick fill and a rejection. This is more so a rejection, not really a wick fill. Right? And look at the 4 hours stellar replay. I just realized too. If that's the case, should continue down here now. I didn't even see the 4 hour stellar replay. Wow, that was pretty clean too. No, this is the daily. Sorry, this is the daily, not the 4H. Daily stellar replay and the 4 hour stellar replay at the same given time. That's what it was. Yeah. You guys know what that means. Water chat. Stay hydrated. No calls today. Wix will probably come. Haven't spoke to Wix in like. I think 3 days, like since Monday. No, since Friday. I wasn't even here Monday, so. Yesterday, yo, Don, where you at? I'm like, I'm not home. I'm asking where he's at. Because for some reason, every time I'm on my stream, he's not on. Every time he's on his stream, I'm not on. So, a little bad timing. How's Beyonce? Yo, you guys seen Rihanna at the Super Bowl? Rihanna at the Super Bowl. That's crazy. I don't think she's been performing like 7 years or 6 years since she performed the last album. Okay, GG. Okay. No top wick. Okay. Lovely. I like it. Thanks for showing me the analysis, right? But next time, just, let me enter. Chat, I wouldn't be surprised here if GG here just drops all the way through until 152 here. Would not be surprised whatsoever. Would not be surprised. Don't think of depositing more money in my account. What do you think is a good idea? When's a good idea to deposit more in your account? Whenever you think it's a good idea. I don't know. I can't really tell you when exactly, but whenever you feel more comfortable, I guess. Whenever you feel like you're consistent, okay, maybe I could just up it up a notch, up on the last size a little bit. Have some extra funds to the side I want to invest in. Okay, I put it into FX account. You can do that. But I can't really tell you when. Or just maybe hold off until next year. See how the rest of the year plays off, because you don't want to deposit more in quarter four. You probably want to just take out more in quarter four, if anything. Lower your lot size, lower your account size. But yeah, I'll probably wait for next year, man. January. I'll wait till like March or something, like April, May. No, not April, May. Sorry, like February, March, around there. That's what I'm gonna do. Quarter four, like once it hits like mid quarter four, maybe like mid October or something, where like once volume really dives down, we'll cut our lot size to like a 10. Like I'll probably pop 10s, and then from then we'll just keep it as that until quarter one next year. Then quarter one we'll bring it back up to like our 20s, and then build our way back up to new highs, which is gonna be like probably 30. I'm probably capping at 30 next year. I don't know if I can do 40 yet. I'll probably do 30. That's fixed lot sizes. You've been practicing with a small account? Yeah. But how long have you been practicing for though? Actually, on the broker, there's a little nib on DJ here, chat. It's a little nib, just a little nib. Nice bomb wick on gold. Oh, it's clean traffic. If we took impulse, if we took impulse entries, wow. But we don't. So we gotta wait. We gotta wait for this 15 closure here in about 5 minutes here. Yeah, I think for the last couple of days, impulse would have definitely won. Because you have so much volume. Every time you broke the highs or lows, you just drove, right? Didn't really matter if you closed above or not. You just kind of drove volume. So that's why impulse the past couple of days have probably been a winner for a lot of traders. Have you ever considered using the 2 hour time frame? It makes things a lot clearer than the 1 hour, more detailed than 4H. No, I use the 4H and use the 1 hour. I don't use the 2. If the 1 hour shows what happens on the 2 anyways. The 1 hour and 4 hour shows what happens on the 2 if you can recount backwards. I've never ever used the 2 hour time frame ever in my life, so there's no point starting now. Like the way I learned to analyze charts is just using like these time frames to work around these time frames. So that's how it's been working for me. I don't think I ever did use a 2 hour time frame ever. Because we're just trying to predict the next hour candle or next 30-minute candle, right? That's usually what we do half the time. So the 2 hours, like, not really that important to me. Damn, y'all still on Peter, bro? Golly. Hey, Pop, don't just have you shake your legs so hard. Yeah, no, they be fidgeting like. Okay, gold bottom wick. Did it break their lows? No, it did not. Damn, there's a nice bottom wick here. Just that you had a top wick first, so it's a little different here in this case. It's not really the same idea we had earlier. Hey, 3 minutes left. You know, someone use a 2 hour. I've seen people use a 2 hour before. I've seen people use a 2 hour. I just don't. I've seen tons of traders use 2 hours. 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 or 5 minute candle. Like what? God, chat, we have 2 months left in this year, man. Or 3 months. I don't really count December though, because I'm kind of gone in December. Oh, chat, by the way, I won't be here October. Going on a little New York vacation / trip, business-ish. I won't be here probably October 28th until I'm really gone for like 1, 2, 3, 4 days basically. I'm gone for 4 days. Just 4 days, don't worry. But October 28th to like the 4th of November. Yeah, I gotta go to New York. I'm gonna go to New York. How much money you made in FOREX this year? How much did you make in this year? Hey, K, what up?
Good morning. Good morning.
What's up? What's up? So then,
I brought a friend for you. He kind of doing his own thing, but
you're a snake.
yeah.
Yeah, I hate snakes. Not gonna lie. If I seen a snake, I'll shit my pants.
Don't get me wrong. Wild snakes are crazy.
Yeah.
But he's a good boy.
I'm also not that educated in snakes too. Oh, that's a python? That's not a python. This is a...
No, it's python.
What's a python? That's crazy.
This is my baby.
It doesn't get bigger?
Yeah, he's gonna get bigger.
Fuck that.
Not too much though. He's a boy, so the girls get bigger than the boys.
Damn. But like, wait, what if one day the snake's looking kind of hungry? You know, it's like it's got a tongue sticking out. It's like wouldn't you like be nervous?
That's why I didn't take him out the last time I was on. It was feeding day.
Show my snake. All right, bro. Why y'all so weird, bro?
I feed him rats.
You feed him rats?
Yeah.
Yeah, so he knows it for it. I went to that stores and they have like those rats for snakes, right? Those like dead rats basically, or are they alive? They're dead, right?
No, they're dead.
Yeah,
They're
like,
frozen.
yeah, frozen.
Mm-hmm.
Damn, that's crazy. Nah, if I ever seen a snake in Toronto, bro, I'm moving out of Toronto. Catch me in fucking somewhere else.
I've been in the desert for like 15 years now, so I'm kind of used to snakes.
How much is that?
The snake?
Yeah.
Like $100.
Oh, they're mad cheap.
Yeah, hell yeah. Now the colored ones though, some of those are like $600 to $1,000.
Yeah. Yeah, I've seen garden snakes in Canada, but barely. I've only seen like 2 snakes my whole life. I've seen a mini garden snake, and then I've seen like I think it was like black and white, or black and yellow snake. Not sure what it was, but the cottage.
Yeah, I've seen a black and yellow before.
The garden snakes, right?
No, it wasn't no garden snake. Whatever I seen was a big ass snake. I ain't never seen no shit like that. I was at the park.
Yeah. Oh, I got that. Yo, heart full of pain? Damn. You good over there, bro? Hey,
She moved out of state,
tier,
shit that
tier
went
two.
left. She
Thank you
seeking
for a tier
forgiveness.
2, man.
She used to dance, but she
Thank you
wanted
for
alone
tier
and start up
2.
a business.
Yeah. Chat, did you hear dropped here? Obviously. I wanted to sell here for sure, but I kind of need to use the current count stops. And in this case, the current count stop was only I wanted to flip, right? So it was only like 8 pips. I needed the top resistance here before driving down. So we're gonna have to wait for a 30-minute candle here in about 12 minutes, all right? Yo, let's Cedric. You took that trade, okay, or
The gold trade?
yeah?
Yeah, I took it.
Trade done for a day.
Uh, I took a trade in Asian too, so I should be, but if it's looking good, I'll take another one.
Oh yeah, you took the trade of Wix, right? That gold trade.
Yeah, that break even trade, yeah.
Yeah. What up, Martin? Been a while. Been one day, bro. Which broker thinks best in the United States? Honestly, man, I don't know, but if I was in the States, I'd use TD, to be honest. Unless it's a better option, but I'll use Trader's Domain. It's pretty reliable. I used it before too. Before I moved to Blueberry. So it's just spreads weren't that bad. Like you can probably find better spreads, but you can't find a better mix of all three, like spread, custom service, and commission, I guess. TD kind of has that, and it's also you can use crypto as a country. You can trade gold. There was news prime times. Go on FOREX Factory and then go on like news here. Top. This is what happened. This is basically what happened. Important update on 4.5. They're working on restoring both MT4 and MT5 mobile apps on iOS on Apple Store as soon as possible. Existing MT4 and MT5 Metro users of iOS devices are not affected. They can still use the app on their phones and iPads as normal. If a new mobile user trader has an MT4 and MT5 on the iOS device, they would be able to connect their server by open their MetaTrader 5 mobile terminal on their iOS devices. Go to settings, click new account, enter your company's or server's name, and select. Nice. So they are working on restoring both MT4 and MT5. So don't worry, guys. You guys will be alright if you guys don't have the app. But I'm pretty sure everyone here has the app. If you don't have the app, then for the meantime, I guess you gotta trade on your desktop or you can trade on the online version of the MT5.
C-Trader is nice though, even if you don't use MetaTrader.
I swear it looks nice. Yeah, I always like the way it looks, but I never tested it out.
Oh, you got to, Don. It's so nice.
Let me just download the app right now. Is there an app too?
Should be, yeah.
It's similar to 4.5, right? It's just your positions on the screen. It's like the same idea, really.
It's similar to MT5. It's smoother to me. I used it like way back, like maybe 2015, 2016. And I liked it because it had the partial TPs. I hadn't seen that on MT5 yet.
Why does it have 17 reviews? My first broker was like XIM or something, or CIM, or what it's called.
Are there any other trading platforms besides MT4 and 5 and CTrader?
I'm pretty sure, yeah. There's I had this one, but I forgot what it's called. There's TradingView for some brokers. There's
That's right.
MT4, MT5. What's Swiss FOREX? I swear that's one too. Yeah, I remember there's a lot. Because MT5 wasn't the first one I used when I first started trading. It was something else.
Damn.
Use a Wanda? Yeah, Wanda's great too. You have lower leverage. That's, yeah, I'm from Ontario too. I just use Blueberry. Broad copy fair best course right now. Hey.
Where's Wix?
My boy is fighting for his life right now.
Oh yeah, the hurricane.
Yep. I don't know. I'm telling you, like every time he's on recently, I haven't been on. Every time I'm on, he hasn't been on. He was on yesterday for Asian.
Yeah, he was on. It's been slow. I mean, coming in the third quarter, shit's slowing down.
Hey, I don't know about slowing down today, but GJ is, whew. I think it moved so far like 600 or 400 pips in the last hour and 25 minutes. Insane.
I don't know. The last couple years, fourth quarter has been pretty decent.
I think quarter four, the last one I remember quarter four being really bad was 2019 quarter four. Gold was literally, chat, I'm not lying to you guys, it was in a 20 pip range for like a week and a half. 20 pips, that's it for 2 weeks range. So there's no like trades you can possibly take that was decent. That was 2019. Last year it wasn't too bad, but also last year I didn't trade as much for the last 2 weeks of December. What's up for news? News 8:30 yellow orange folder. I got no subs for news. I'm waiting for GG here to close up in 4 minutes here though. Four positions. I want to see if you can create a nice top wick though. Pull back and leave a nice top wick for range. What is that? What's skate skim or skate sim?
The full release of Session, the skate sim, is now available in.
Is it better than the skate 4 though?
Camera lens. Did a kickflip crook. Should we just try to go?
Honestly,
Merc.
this looks decent.
Jump up here. Set our session
Honestly,
marker, and then let's just.
I'm still playing Skate 3 today. I play Skate 3 the other day on my PS3 still. I'm still playing Skate 3 until Skate 4 comes out. How's the controls? More realistic feeling?
Try to get a nollie
Is it
backside
harder?
heel. Oh my god, that was kind of sketchy.
It's cool.
Oh, damn it. You do fall a lot in session. It's probably
Those
one of the
graphics
games
are
with
crazy,
the
man.
hardest learning curve, but once you finally get the trick, it just feels
That's not
so
bad.
good.
Is it in beta still? I imagine it is. What are you doing in your free time? I relax. Nah, the thing about being an entrepreneur is you're constantly working. You constantly have things to do. Whether it's just replying to emails, replying to DMs, working on your website, like constantly adjusting and fixing things day after day. So I'm always working 24/7 basically. But I'm not like stationary working. Usually after like 1. Like after 1, I'm not stationary. I'm not like sitting here working because it's just replying to emails and stuff, right? Which I'm in the work stuff right now, just putting together like a little team for that to reply to all my Instagram stories, no, Instagram messages and my emails. So that's what I'm trying to figure out, because it's kind of hard now. I know I say I always reply to DMs, and I'm gonna try my best, but it's getting a bit harder to chat with 39K followers. Like it's like quadruple the DMs, man. It's insane. So yeah, I try though. I try to reply as many as I can, to be honest. As you can see, 16 hours ago. But yeah, I'm in the works with that. Trying to figure that out. Don't forget us. No, I'm still here in YouTube. Just DMs on Instagram alone. Yeah, Wix didn't reply. I don't know. Might be sleeping.
Look, sleep.
I saw him online on Discord. I don't know. Let me call him.
Wix is here often enough. Where the hell is Marcos?
Oh, Marcos had enough of your guys' shit. He had enough of you guys.
Marcos is just... He doesn't care about us anymore.
Nah, he had enough. Wix is still here. Marcus just said chat gives him anxiety. Which I get. Imagine being the host. Nah, he just said like you feel fun. Yeah, he's still I still talk to him and shit. But he said chat gives him anxiety.
I feel it.
I don't blame him though. Maybe not right now. We're fine right now, but maybe in like an hour and a half or so, you know, chat might give anxiety. For sure. What book you reading? None right now. Chat. You have GJ here, which, as you can see, closed bearish below the ranges. This range going down here isn't too bad. It's gonna be like a 50 pip range going down off of the basically the flip. Stops are gonna be the current kind of high. This isn't too bad, chat. This is like I think around 30 pips. Yeah, 27 pip stops off the flip. Because look, they're popping out in the range on the 15 here. So this is your 15-minute resistance here to the left-hand side. Very minor level, but I have it marked up as that resistance. So if we're currently at top here, you flip bearish, as long as stops aren't wild, you can have a sell stop on the flip. Because then you ride this rate, this range going down for 70, 79 pips, almost 80. See, I don't want to play sell stops just yet because I don't know how big stops gonna be here. This thing could be 37 or it can be like it can come up further. If it comes up further, we gotta delete. Yeah, like right now it's 60 pip stops. So like I'm not gonna place them. It's way too wild. Yeah. It was nice at one point. I mean, it's still valid. If this is a 10 pip top wick for sure, yeah, this is amazing. Perfect wick to go down, but it's just I don't want to have a 56 pip stop here. Really, a little too wild.
Daily seller replay.
Yeah, and 4 hour.
And 4.
Two minutes into 30 and move 58. Yeah, no, bro, it's that's GG for real. That's when you gotta use a 5-minute time frame. Days like this. Are you using M5? Yes, sir. Using M5 until further notice. I want to see what C-Trade has, but I mean, there's no point in me switching really.
No, Martin, I'm not.
That's a 5-minute try to sell your soul for pips. Yeah. I mean, the only way I use a 5 is the only time I use a 5 is days like this. Really, the last time I used a 5 was I think during COVID times, COVID hours, because I had to. Like every candle was like 100 pips, even a 5-minute candle. It was the same thing as GJ right now. So that's the only time I use a 5. And stops are just wild, and I can't get in. There's support at 10 pips. Which mean? Did it break out lows? Yeah, that probably would have been the B point, yeah. At this point, you might just wait for the 1-hour candle, really. I'm gonna call this guy Wicks. This needs a 5 during the Russia war. You mean what's going on right now still? No, I didn't. Cause when the whole thing went down, if I'm not wrong, there was only crazy ranges for like a week or so, right? Or less.
It was a log.
I forgot what happened during that time. It was like March, right?
Yeah, it was March.
I think I was still using the 15. I don't think it was too crazy enough for me to not use the 15. Like this is different though. Like, this is how it was during the COVID times. Like every 5-minute candle was literally like 100 pips. So I'm gonna play on the 15-second time frame on gold. I think it's valid, bro. I think that's what just pushed price down, right? Use the 1 minute as a high impact news. I mean, it's the same shit. Technically. To have your in French. Are my captions not on? Are my captions not on? Hey, chat. 500 viewers, 99 likes, chat. Chat, we can hit 250 plus your chat. Come on. Come on, chat. 99? 99, really?
You guys could do better than that.
Come on, we gotta try at 6:30 a.m. this morning. I know you guys weren't here for it. A lot of you guys weren't here for it, but come on. 99 likes. We can at least get 250 here, chat. Yeah, for a chat seems like it likes to cost them commissions. Yeah. Leave a like and sub to the channel, guys. If you're just new, I appreciate you being here. It's free, yo. Your K-Snake ain't gonna bite you. Don't worry. Like your own videos? Of course. I'm my only supporter. When I first started, chat, who liked the shit when I first started? Me. I was one to support my own stuff. You gotta support your own stuff, man. You have to. Now, why do I have 2,000 notifications on YouTube here?
Damn.
2,000 notifications. Sheesh. Your max of yesterday's prank? Alright. I get that. Yeah, exactly. If you're not supporting your own stuff, how can you expect others to support you? Exactly. That's true. That's very true, actually. So,
What's up, Waller?
Oh, dollar with a 5. Yo, appreciate it, bro. Yeah, but some people deal with like imposter syndrome. You guys know what that is?
Impulsive syndrome?
No, imposter syndrome.
Oh, imposter syndrome.
Impulsive syndrome. that's what people deal with on the daily here.
Yeah, I've heard of imposter syndrome.
When you started freelancing. Yeah, it's like when you don't believe in your own success. You feel like you feel guilty, like I'm doing something like I don't deserve, you know? Yeah. Sometimes it's really hard to believe. But yeah, remember, like you deserve this shit. Like whatever you do in trading, chat, like what you like whatever money you're making in trading or on that trade you just took, you deserve it because it took you time to get to where you are right now. All that skill, all that learning. Sometimes I might feel like, oh, I didn't deserve that trade. It took like 15 seconds. Like, bro, that was way too easy. That was way too simple. But it wasn't that simple, man. If you look back like a year ago.
That's low-key something I've been repeating in my head. Like, I actually deserve this shit, you know? Like, I have to repeat it to myself. I think that's something people struggle with, to be honest.
Yeah, because they spend so long like struggling in the markets and you have that breakthrough point. It's just like, it doesn't feel real. Like,
Hell no.
really? I wake up for a 30 closure above the range, caught whatever, made whatever, and that's it. Like, that's what real life is now. So, yeah, it does feel weird. But you guys deserve it, man. Don't worry. If we're donating to the market, should we feel good? Yeah, you should feel good because you're still learning. You're still learning, right? So yeah, of course you should feel good. What's the deal? Hey, finally, we're back on a regular schedule programming. Wix 9's here. I'm on at the same time. Been like 4 days. Huge gold fake out? Yeah. Yeah. Well, let's see how the 1 hour closes, but yeah. If the 1 hour closes like this, then yeah, we can take sells. If it closes below this range here at 8 a.m., we can definitely take sells at 8 a.m. for sure. 100%. End of devious my ass. Fucking clickbait. It was actually end of control effects. So you got clickbait. You clickbait yourself. Anyone taking a G trip with the big ass stop? You can. Let me know how it goes. Fortunately, I don't want to have an 85th stop. Justin, you didn't watch it. I'm not gonna lie, chat. I have no idea what the video's about. I'm not gonna lie. I do not know what this video's about. I know this is about the losses we took, but I skimmed through it. I didn't really watch it. You know. I know I've been there. I've been through it though. Like this is me. Like I remember all these scenes here. I remember all of this, but there's some wisdom here I know for a fact, but I'm not gonna lie, I did not watch this video. I don't watch a lot of edits. It's just that's how it goes though, really. When you have an editor, you just kind of post and you know.
No cap, that's a gym. For people listening, that's a gym right there.
That's like
He's not even worried about what's in the video.
I mean, yeah. I mean, a lot of these content creators don't even watch my videos. Like, I doubt Aiden Ross watches every video he uploads here on his channel.
No, hell no.
Oh, no. There's no shot. There's like 5 videos a day. There's no way.
He's sending that shit to an editor and just uploading it.
Not even. Editor just does it. Doesn't even know.
Yeah.
Just pays him.
Exactly.
You see ANSP got swatted? Yeah, that's scary shit. I lost as 2 or 20. 20. It's been 20 for the year. Yeah, 5 hours a day. Yeah, that's pretty normal. It's a lot. That's what a lot of creators do nowadays. But a lot of these creators nowadays have these fan pages. Like they have other pages that just do it for them without even asking. All right, Wix. You can talk now, Wix.
Okay, right. What happened to Wix?
What's the deal?
There he is. What's the deal?
Good morning.
What's
Good
the
morning.
deal?
Hold on, I'm rolling the J.
All right. That's the deal.
That's the deal for the moment.
That's the deal.
Sounds
Did you get a
good.
win on stream today?
Yeah, right at 6:30. Right in early at 6:30, man.
Nice. Winning stream.
We'll see how it ends. But should be a pretty clean
Yeah.
day.
We're already ahead. No need to take another trade. Just call it a stream.
You're ahead. You took the Asian trade. Well, I took a different trade than you during Asian, but
We took it at the same time, pretty much.
yeah. Where's the cam at? We miss you.
Yeah, on my way. OMW.
I feel like we haven't spoken like 4 days.
Like you've been avoiding me for 4 days.
No, honestly, bro, I have a thing where like I'm just bad communicating sometimes. I'm just out. I'm just like, you know.
Don's lacking communication skills.
Yeah, man. But you knew what I meant, though. I know
It takes a
mentally.
lot.
We were talking mentally, right? We talked on Saturday, bro.
Hmm?
Wick's been silent. No, Wick's been streaming still during Asian. Yo, did you stream on Sunday? No, right? When you streamed yesterday, I think. Monday,
No.
Tuesday.
Oh, Sunday.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday.
Where's this fucking lighter?
What time is it?
It is currently 7:48 a.m. Man, 11 minutes left for closure. What's this range going down here? 16, 16. Okay, makes sense. Makes sense. Let's see. When you move to Toronto, you gotta move to the East Coast, bro. Did you move to the East Coast or move to the UK? You're probably in like LA or something, right? Yeah. If I was from LA, I don't know if I'd be shooting New York session, to be honest. I cannot wake up at 4 a.m. every day. I don't know how you do it, K, but props to you. I did it a couple times in Vancouver. It was cool. It was fun. You had a lot of time in your day, but I know damn well you go back to bed after.
Hell yeah.
I know damn, because you work night and then you come on streams and then you go back to bed.
Yep.
Don's ass would be like, yo, fuck FOREX. Yo, Krispy Kreme hiring? Yeah. What we doing?
Yo, Krispy Kreme hiring. Now I want some Krispy Kreme.
Y'all motherfuckers hiring? You walk in there like that.
I'm so sick of donuts. Like, I don't know what to do with myself. Everywhere I go, there's donuts, literally.
I can't
You ever watch
imagine.
Don't Be a Menace?
Hmm?
You ever watch Don't Be a Menace when he walks into the interview place?
No.
No Sirski.
Literally walked in there like, yo, y'all ninjas hiring?
I actually have a friend who remade that, and she walked into a bunch of businesses and said that.
What's the deal, Wix?
I don't know. Same shit, different toilet seat.
Yeah, how's the hurricanes though? Like, is it bad in your area?
Everything's gone.
No,
Everything's gone.
no, it's not. Show me outside.
There's no Publix. There's no.
There's no public. What you mean? It's only your workroom is working. There's nothing
no-
else. Like your Wi-Fi is just
nothing.
working.
Your-
There's nothing else. It's your
My
house.
house is gone.
So it's
The
just
office
the
stand. I walk
Wi-Fi.
out the door, it's just gone. Everything's gone. The office standing. Kids
Where's your
aren't
cat?
fucking- My kids are somewhere with the Wizard of Oz. Just gone.
can we do a trader tier list? All right, man. Do you want to get me killed?
Oh, what?
Do you want to get me killed? You're setting me up. Do you love me? Yo, do you like what we do on stream, Leo? Because you asking that is very bold. We need a trader tier list. Do you know what topics? Oh, brother, if I do a trader tier list, it's over for me. It's over. It would not be fun. No. It will be fun until these guys start coming in. Hey, Don said, hey, mentor. Don said you weren't tier S, you're tier D. But Don said you were tier D, mentor. Yo. No.
Don's gonna get crucified.
You should do it in reverse order.
They finna crucify me for sure.
It's funny for no
Trying to
reason.
set me up. I can't even mention someone else's name in peace anymore in the chat. I might have to take a week vacation after that. Fine, we'll do it. Okay, then I'm not gonna do it. I don't wanna start the shit up. Start the pot up. How about we do a fucking trading setup tier list, bro? How about that? How about that?
When people ask me not to stir the pot up, I go straight to the kitchen. I go straight to the kitchen, looking through all my drawers. Hey, imagine the candles move to the music. Be like, fuck, did we close below or no?
It does in a 1 minute time from look the beats about to drop.
Nice.
Oh, it just popped up. Oh, wow. Oh, it's pushing. 13 pips. Whoa. Still pushing. Oh, it's still pushing. What do you need volumes? What you gotta do, bro? We just found the holy grail. For real.
1 minute and turn it up.
Yep. 1 minute and turn the music up. Whenever we need volume now. Go back on 30, nothing happened.
Hey, see if you can get these wicks to move too. It's the shit you listen to after a festival as everyone's driving home. Everybody looking at each other all weird and shit. Like, we just go through that together.
Shoot, that song was kind of smooth though.
Yeah, it sounds better when you vibe to it together. GJ, yes sir. 4 minutes left, guys. How's your week though, Chad? Did you guys take any trades yesterday? I wasn't here yesterday, so I don't know what happened, but I just kind of left planet Earth yesterday. All right, Peter. Gotcha.
Peter.
You never started trading, what would you do right now? I would be in the trenches, man. I don't know. I'll be
That boy would be going right now. Hello, Krispy Kreme. Can I take your order?
I don't know, bro. I don't know really because You know, we gotta think about it, chat. When I first started trading, I didn't really trade just to trade. I trade to get funds to get into my other hobbies, such as like I always wanted to create like my own brand, with my Forex funds. But ever since I got into Forex, didn't care about anything else except for trading. So yeah, that kind of changed for me. But that was the main reason I got to FX. So who knows? I probably would have been somewhere there in like the fashion industry / like design industry, probably, to be honest. I've always been into that stuff like since I was a kid. Yeah.
I want to talk about the best.
This guy said emo kids with money.
Right, like what the
Treat me emo kids with money.
I'm dead.
Stone Island, yeah, no. Been a minute since I wore Stone Island, not gonna lie. It's been a little minute since I wore Stone Island. It's cool, Brown. But I haven't had anything Stone Island since like 2016 or something. It's been a while. Kids have money. Never heard that one before, not gonna lie to you. GG might be closing, yes sir. You lost like 3K since the queen's death for just having money in the bank.
Hey, we gained a K. What up, K?
What's
You
up,
lost
boy?
3, we gained 1.
That's a good one, not gonna lie. Can you close below here, GJ? And create a nice top wicker? Because this is looking juicy.
It's not looking bad at all.
Yep. This support here, by the way, chat, was drawn off at 30, so it's not really that important here. Or 15, sorry. But this is what I'm looking at. A 1 hour candle. You can get a nice top wick, tapping 16 or 153. And then we'll have a sell stop and a flip coming down. That would not be too bad.
Come on, man. Stop watching multiple streams. You having a hard time.
All right. So yeah, but GJ closing the 1H here. I don't think gold closed below, right? I think it was only GJ here. Yeah, gold closed respect, and it still has a little range going down here. It's not too bad of a range going down. It closed below this range to the left hand side. That level still being respected. This wick fill going down isn't too bad actually. It's like around 20 pip wick fill. Isn't too bad. But GG here, you actually have a closure below. So if you get a nice top wick tapping like 153, we'll have a sell stop on the flip. This isn't too bad.
Ooh.
Yeah, wick fill is like 54 pips minimum. The range going down is like 110. I'll probably TP at around like 152-ish lows. 152, 200, anywhere in this boxer. Minimum the wick fill should be ideal. Second trade of the day, chat, potentially. Yeah, you can't really use anything else, to be honest, in this case for stops. I'm gonna have to kind of wait for this to create super wick.
Yeah, I think it could break here and then come back up.
Yep.
Got my sell stops. 100 pipettes away.
Damn, gold.
There we go. Rebroken. Now it's coming back up. Grab liquidity. And then rebroke.
Gold is not bad at all too. Not bad.
Fuck's gonna drive here.
That could have been your topic chat.
It could have been it, yeah.
But I mean, I'm not in here. I got no sell stops, got no positions here. I'm gonna wait for this to create a stupid wick. I need a stupid wick here. I need one. Need. Not want. Need.
Yeah, I'm not feeling either one of these, to be honest.
Damn. Kay wants to call it a day already.
Denied.
Yeah. Pretty much.
You been hanging out with TD?
No.
He ain't never feeling out trades.
No, honestly, I take the same exact trades as you guys, but I take different entries a lot of the time. But it's like literally the same trades. We trade, I think everybody trades so different, but it's all really the same exact thing.
$2 feeling you? Hey. Top wick. Gold's nice top wick too.
Take the trade if I love Don.
Word.
Guys, I turn into an overtrader.
Yo. So is it gold or GJ?
It's gonna be GJ for me because GJ gold is clean too. It has that range going down, but like I'd rather take a breakout over like a like a fake out, right? You know what I mean? Because you actually have a breakout. So this is perfect. Now I'm gonna have the sell stop chat. Now we're gonna have the sell stop. Sell stops on GJ at 153.007. Sell stops there.
That's my problem.
Stop loss current kind of high. Oh man, that's a 40 pip stop already. Damn.
That's what I'm saying.
I mean, that's kind of what we gotta have here though. Like that's pretty small compared to what we had recently. Because everything else is like 60, 50. Yeah, it's gonna be a little lower in half. Probably go 5 lot to be honest in this trade chat. Risk like some of my profits for a day because like we're up for a day, right? So if I'm up for a day, there's no point of me risking all my profits now. I might go 5 lot, risk half my profits. If I take a loss, then day's done, right?
That's where I'm at.
Yeah.
Those stops that's too wide for me. I don't like it. But it's clean though.
I'm all about that extreme trade in life.
All right, cool. Got stop stops for chat 153. I got a 5 lot here, so 4 pip stops, 5 lot, risking basically 40 pips, 5 lot. So that's roughly around like half my profits if I were to take a loss here. So that'll be what I'm doing here in terms of risk management. All right, and then TP is just gonna be down here. If stops get to 60, which it just did, I'm gonna delete. In this case, I believe. How big are stops now on the breakout lows? 61. Yeah. I may delete here, chat. I'm gonna actually delete some stops here. Actually, stops are a little too wide. Earlier on, it was like 30, 40. I can handle that, but 60, 70. Yeah, you can have that. It's a little too wide for me. It doesn't. It still makes sense though. Price action makes sense for sure here. It's a 1 hour closure below. As long as it respects like 154, it should still drop down with 154, 420. But it's a little too wide for me. So I'm probably gonna just hold out, stay out for a bit. Maybe if they get like a 15 respect and resistance and then a 15-minute seller replay, that wouldn't be too bad. That'll be a Wix's trade. But I guess that count close first.
Why you gotta give out my playbook? That shit ain't public.
Well, sorry. I gotta
just dropping all my shit.
Sorry.
Yo, did you know your phone was on Do Not Disturb yesterday?
Me?
Never.
Yeah, it's always on Do Not Disturb for you.
Never.
Me?
Never.
I
What you talk about, Wix? That shit is never. I don't even have that button. It got no buttons. You know what I thought? I thought you got jacked for your new phone.
Oh,
I was like, damn, you got a new phone and he's alright. Because You don't get a new phone and then just put the shit on Do Not Disturb for weeks at a time, right?
Hello?
Oh yeah, now it's working, right? Yeah, whatever. Now he gets 2 phone calls at a
I
time.
got 2 phones, one for buy stops, one for sell stops.
Jesus.
You're triggering everybody.
Now we gotta wait, guys. Back to waiting it is. That's not too bad, right? That ain't too bad, right? Shakira facing 8 years in prison for doing what? Shakira. For doing what?
Bro, shut up.
For dancing like that.
Tax evasion?
Or
8
her
years for
tour
tax
line.
evasion, bro? Like, come on, bro. You gotta pay your taxes, my guy. You gotta pay your taxes. Bro. How you gonna dance like this and not pay your taxes?
Or if she just come like that into the courtroom.
I'm so dead. I'm so dead.
Tax evasion, man. I don't get how these guys go, or these people go for tax evasion. Like, you need to find your ass a better accountant. Because
Nah, you need to find your money.
yo, like, what are you doing? Like, how
Stop paying the accountant. Start paying the government.
like, just how?
At their net worth, I would be paying more. I'd
course
pay
you
my
can.
taxes and then I'd call up the government and be like, yo, I got this extra 100 racks here that I want to pay.
You know what's messed up, man? Like,
Here, I'll drop
you
it
can
off
get in
at your
trouble for
building.
paying more.
No, I'll pay more. This way they don't have to call me that I owe them.
Like, they can, like,
Now you can.
they don't tell you how much you gotta pay. They make you find out how much you gotta pay, and if you get it wrong, you get charged for it. Like, what?
Nah, when they send me the refund, I'd be like, nah, keep it. Keep the change.
Yeah, I got no business. Y'all take it. I'm gonna give you guys the extra tip. Do you have an accountant? Yeah. You know, I can only do 2 things at once. I of course have an accountant since day one. You gotta have an accountant, man. Especially if you have a business.
Fuck you think he does? Sits there on fucking taxes.com and
So-
does his own shit.
This is an asset. This is a liability. How's it go? I took account for like 1 year. I forgot.
Should talk about Willis.
8 years?
Yo,
Damn, how much does she owe? Or label to her money? Yeah, you're right. That could have happened too. Alright, bro, I'm over this.
Oh, she owes a lot. She better fucking start touring.
12 milli? 12
Damn.
milli? That's it? But for her though? 12 milli? That's nothing.
Isn't
for
she
her.
married to somebody
But,
like
I don't know. It's probably
wealthy as well?
I don't know, bro, but I swear she gets royalties till today. Till this day.
What?
Like that FIFA World Cup in 2010, she getting royalties from that till today. Then she'll start master rights for 100 mil. I don't know. I'm not sure that's true.
I doubt she's gonna do 8 years, so I highly doubt that.
Yeah. These celebs
Would it
never do their full
be?
sentence.
Yeah, I remember PK.
Unless your name goes by the name of R. Kelly. You getting time after you getting, man.
His whole life is just
Like I got
it's
more
done.
time than his life.
Man.
Drive, damn it.
Oh, nice. You still got stuff here, Wix?
I got a small position.
Yeah, I mean, technically speaking, the price actually makes sense. This thing should still drive if it flips there.
This is a small position. Not taking huge risk here.
Looks like for gold chat, we're gonna have to probably wait for a breakout here, man. To be honest with you guys, look at it. It's just in the range now from 1631 to 622. It's a 100% range, but you can't really do much here. With the wages moving needed more than 4 pip stop, not true. Pips are relevant to stops. It's price action, right? The high sometimes could be a 10 pips, sometimes it could be 20 pips, sometimes it could be 100 pips. But the high in this case is 60. It's just
really love the
too
1
wide.
hour to close like this.
Wire stream's gone. They're not gone, guys. They're not gone. Go on my page. Go on the Control FX here. No, my bad, not Control FX. Donvo. Go down to full live stream VODs. Come down to here. And then here is when you see all the live streams. All the live streams, all right? Do not worry. They're all here. Do not worry. Do not worry, man. They'll always be here, okay? Just I don't want it on my feed. Like I don't want it to have like 1,000 like live stream videos and just like 1 or 2 videos that pop out, right? This looks a lot cleaner.
Oh, you set that up?
Yeah. Yo, want me to teach you?
Hell yeah.
All right. Gotta pay a fee. Sending money as subs? Guarantee 1 million views since just you playing Wordo? Got a vlog coming for you guys. Sending money as subs. I think for Christmas this year I got something for the mods probably. Trying to see if I can get something together for the mods. For all the mods, send me your address. Well, when I or PO box whenever I ask, or if you guys want. But yeah, I'm trying to put together a gift for some shit for you guys. You want mod? How long did you get 6 figures? In 2019, I think like around 8 months. The chat, making money isn't hard. It's not hard. Keeping the money is hard. That's the hard part. Once you guys make money, depends on how quick you make it, but the saying goes, the quicker you make it, the quicker it goes.
Make money.
Make sure once you make money, you get like a financial advisor or something.
6 figures one day. What,
or have like a little high level manager or something, someone you could talk to and help you manage your funds, you know, especially when you're young too. Because when I first made money when I was 19, listen, I was 19 years old. I didn't know better. So making money when I was 19 was different to when I was making money when I'm 22. I'm still young, don't get me wrong, but when I was 19 though, that boy shouldn't.
You ain't calling no fucking.
That boy, nope. Did not know about taxes. Nope. I still did my taxes though, cause I found out later. I found out later in the year.
You get 100 racks at like 18, 19. I think like 90% of you are calling your mama first.
This is for majority too. This is not for everyone.
Like, mama, I got 100 grand.
Wix scream so loud I didn't hear it. That's crazy. Yeah, but like, yo, 19 making money, then I would suggest you guys, you know, talk to someone. Yeah, an accountant, financial advisor, book a little meeting. They're free in your city, free consultation, I'm pretty sure. For small businesses, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, because yo, if you spend your money when you're 19, you gotta realize, yo, you also gotta pay tax when you're 19 too, right? And I'm pretty sure when you first start making money, not a lot of people register their business as a business. They're going off of personal still, and it's a shit ton of taxes, man. No write-offs, nothing. So that was a tough year for me. I had to learn a lot, but yeah. Fast forward. Took me some time to realize, but we're good now. We're straight now. 3 years later. Turning 2020, turning 23 in about 6 months.
This shit does not say wasabi.
Stop. It says Wabisa.
I got OCD. Okay, let's put shit in its place.
Wait, when did you first start making money? Like when you were 19?
Like,
Or like when you're a little more like older, like a bit older? Probably a bit
no,
older, right?
like, I think 17.
Damn, Wix.
I had my first job, I think, was at 17. I worked in a cell phone store.
I'm talking about like
The big
When-
money.
Like the first big money that I
Yeah.
seen from a job was probably commission money when I used to do
Mm.
financial consulting in New York. I started getting, this was like I'm probably 06.
I think that's a bit different though, like because like that takes
yeah,
time to get to where you
06.
were, right? Like education, going to school for that shit.
No, it just the tests take time and you gotta study and dedicate a lot of time.
Yeah, so when you
the
make the money, it feels
Series
more
6,
deserving.
53 life health. Yeah, that was 2006.
2006, I was 6 years old. Yeah, but I feel like that's different to being like a fucking, like coming from like not making any money to straight to like the next year making, like being an entrepreneur making money. Like you're definitely a bit more grounded when you have I'll just use education first.
Yeah. I concur.
I can't get into the entrepreneur money, but I made a lot of money working on jobs. And even that's still wild.
Hey, before you know it, you're gonna be an entrepreneur.
That's what I'm looking into. That's a better option.
It's an inevitable option. Like anyone in our like space, after making some money, is not gonna go work for somebody.
Yeah. Yeah, you kind of just.
Yeah, you're gonna have some of your own.
How are you guys aren't rich yet? How can you tell when someone's rich? They got on a Lambo? How can you tell when someone's rich? Have y'all seen J. Cole? He looked like a dude from Toronto, bro.
I swear I've given J. Cole money before.
Like, bro,
I
how can you tell
swear.
if someone's rich, bro? Like, how do you determine if someone's rich or not? Like, what logic does that come from? That's foul. Yeah, Wix says foul. I ain't got Bugatti, so I ain't rich yet, bro. I ain't rich. I am not rich. No money.
I love how the definition of rich changes as you start making money.
Yeah.
You're like, that's not rich.
No.
Damn.
120K is not rich, bro.
I'm Richard.
First of all, it's 170, but that's not rich, bro. That's not rich, bro. Trust me.
What happened? You're not doing the comics homework no more?
Comments homework. Oh.
Damn.
Oh, well. You guys know what
I
we would have
forgot
done
about
today.
that.
You guys would know what we've done today. Anyways, we've done the 15 minute close, the 5 close above for the comics. Yeah, it would have been a very straight
Yeah, you
bullish
guys
kind
know
of.
this shit. You know what you'd have done. Would have worked out. You wouldn't be in this.
Nah. Definitely not rich yet. There, I mean, you can be. There's a huge difference being rich and comfortable, though. Huge difference. Or financially stable.
Facts.
Financially stable and rich. Two different things. All right, so you have gold here that just pushed up. Again, probably gonna wait for this this 30-minute candle close up here in about 7 minutes here, and then after maybe take positions afterwards. All right, probably wait for 8:30 here, and then GJ Sinden. I'll wait for this 30 to close. If it closes respecting, you could get a 30-minute celery, but most likely GJ, you're probably gonna have to wait for the 4-hour candle close, to be honest, in 37 minutes here. So gold's all over the place today. Came up, came back down. Right. In reality, though, it's all that happened on gold today was just it's in the range. That's all that happened. This is the first breakout. If it does break out, 9 p.m. it is. I mean 9 a.m. My bad. 9 a.m. not 9 p.m. 9 a.m.
Honestly, I'm done for the day.
Really?
Yeah, I'm happy with my dub.
I mean, you caught Asian. You catch London or?
No,
I mean, you caught Asian.
I'm trying to
you
take
caught New
less
York.
trades.
Yeah.
Wise.
They made a K today. Where's K from? Boba
Right
Town.
near the beach, boy.
I'm from California.
Told you.
Gold coming down. Time to sell. I mean, yeah.
What?
Yeah, man. Peter been saying sell since we're in buys this morning. Here, what you don't understand, Peter, is the position I took this morning was just from here to here. It was like a 30-pip range. You're talking about your chart probably looks something like this. It's a whole different universe. It's a whole different analysis, bro. So for you to compare your chart looking like this to my little range from here to here is irrelevant. It's totally different from the way we trade. So you can say, yeah, gold is bearish, but your stops could be like literally 1790 or something, right? It's irrelevant. I'm looking at a 30 pip range, looking at 100 and like a 300 pip range. All right, two different things, different strategies. You just take out on 30. Take out. If the day bias being bearish today, I wouldn't really consider this a fake out. I'll say this is just a continuation of trend, but this is still a range one for me. I'll just take sells below 153 later. So range one. I'm gonna get some water, child. On.
Me too. Yeah, you got this.
What?
I'll sit here quiet. I don't care. No, I won't do that to y'all. Chat, they're gone. Buys and sells. Go. Full margin. No stop. What's up, Watcho? I really hope you guys aren't over trading though and over risking. Don't bite me. Nah, no full margin, no full margin. I'm trying to tell y'all, like, the less I do in the markets, the better trader I am. I swear to God. One trade a day, one trade a session. Bruh. And y'all, come on now. You guys have seen good setups. Like, you know what good setups are. Ain't nothing going on right now for me to be like, yeah, I'm about to take a trade. Taking my W and I'm getting the hell on. THDs. I look, I don't care how, it doesn't matter how you trade. Like, you can literally, it's all the same. We're all catching the same volume pretty much. We might have different entries and stuff, but we're looking for the same shit in the markets. Don Wicks.
What's up? Did you feel lonely?
Wagwan, man.
Yeah,
Yo, why did Wix come at the same time as me?
that's what I'm saying. You guys set me up.
I want to get some orange juice.
I got a nice tea,
Some mimosas.
bottle of water, ordered some coffee. We might have came back at the same time, but I did 3 times as much things as Don.
What did you
Got
do?
more shit than I got 3 drinks, right? I got 2 with me, and I ordered one, and it's on the way.
Whoa. Why isn't Charlie on stream? What you mean? Did you K2 you guys to sell gold? Damn, that's crazy. Calling signals already? Sheesh.
Actually, I told
How
them
much?
to put buy
How much for
stops
the
and sell
signals?
stops.
How much
Signals
risk?
are $1,000 a piece.
How much risk? Ah, shit, chat. It's time. It's that time of day again. Yeah, it's gotta. Our fun time is over, chat. About to get real crazy. About to get real crazy. We over 1K yet? Oh, well. Better get ready.
Careful what you wish for.
Where'd you enter on gold? Last trade? On stream this morning. Go back and watch the replay. It was the buys off of the 30-minute candle. It was the position from here to here, something like this. This is the trade. This right here. All right. So you now have a 30 closure above, or above this range here. At this point, I think it's best if you just wait for the 1 hour. If wait for the 4 hour count closure. To be honest with you guys, chat, because they can get real crazy in here, real choppy in here, especially if the 4 count decides to close within this range. I want to see this breakout. Really, this is a pretty ugly range. But let's see. Yeah, 29 minutes left. Let's see what happens today. But I mean, you did come down, create a bottom wick. We're still bullish, right? Like I said this morning. I would expect the wick to get filled here at 1643. That's like my daily target. But it comes down to just getting entries, and it's kind of hard to get in here because our stop's a little wide. Our stop's gonna have to be like minimum like 50 pips. TP's only like 40 pips. So at this point, I'd rather wait for the 4 hour candle close. And then as for GJ, same thing really. The 30-minute candle closed bullish above. I'd rather wait for the 4 hour closer to see how things look at 9 a.m. All right, chat. That's it for me though. That's all I'm gonna wait for. We can just chill now, I guess, for a little bit.
I don't have a floating towel, Martin. I'm sorry.
Yeah, where's Paul?
Paul been MIA since he got back.
He came back one day.
Yeah.
Where he just
Then
drive
off of
by.
him.
He drove by. And
You guys hear that?
we ain't seen him since. Oh, where you at?
Kind of stupid, but I just bought gold. That's fine.
Better get that fucking.
I mean, it's a
cup-
bullish
cup
close.
away from the mic.
It's not really stupid. It's the range going up is pretty decent. And you can definitely still drive up here. It's not stupid at all. It's just for me and stops. It's just I'm not comfortable with these stops here.
Yo, we hear the ice. On my way, motherfuckers. Hurry the fuck up. Damn near 9 a.m.
Hey, Marcos, what's going on?
Word, he is early right now. If he hops on right now, it's early.
Marcos is still scared for his life, cause I didn't reply to him, right? Or I didn't really see his messages, anyone's messages really, and they're like, yo, what is this clickbait? You have the chat going crazy, Don. 8:20 a.m., 9 a.m. Hope this is just a marketing stunt because I'm kind of having anxiety, brother. Because I didn't reply to him. He was scared. And then I'm like, I reply him later. I'm like, yo, 9,000 story viewers. He goes, fuck you.
You were wrong for that.
Say, don't market to me. I was actually worried about you. I was wrong for that. Yes, I was
Yeah.
done streaming forever, really?
No,
Well, I think
But-
we played it off pretty well.
You think it's funny?
Oh, sorry.
You think that's funny?
No. All right, no smoke. How'd you unmute
See,
yourself? Hold on.
I just-
How'd you
Funny
unmute
like
yourself?
how funny?
I cared for
Fun.
Don like a family member, but it's gone now. I'm done caring. This relationship has ended.
or Marcos.
Fine.
Yeah, chat, we're doing a giveaway for DVS next. Marco's got the giveaway.
Hey, yo.
He got you the giveaway. Wait, how'd you unmute yourself, though? Hold on. I'm trying to figure that out.
He's got superpowers.
Oh, okay. I got you. Never mind.
Shit, he could
Marco's
take
on
over your
stream
role
today?
now.
What are you on today, Marcos? What's going on?
What'd I do?
You're on stream today?
Smiling.
Yeah, why
and
not?
shit.
Saw you got a win, so I showed up. Ready?
Yo, you play FIFA yet? All right,
Oh.
bro.
Little YSL?
Damn.
Not bad. Don texted me. He said he wants one.
This guy, Marcus, comes on stream for this, bro.
Wow.
Yo,
My
Giveaway?
fucking angel eyes, bro.
One random subscriber gets a YSL rubber. Rambo, you don't need one.
That's crazy.
Oh, Kieran.
gonna make balloon animal.
What's wrong
Shit,
with
they
you
said
guys, man?
haram. Someone said, where do I cop one?
Honestly, it's a good idea.
FOREX.com.
Yeah. Don, come on now. Make a Shopify.
Oh shit.
I think Pat's into it.
Problematic.
The size of it.
You guys, sit your ass down, boy. Yes, sir, Gray. Yes, sir. Right on. Yeah, how's FIFA, bro?
Honestly, it's one of the
Unreleased.
worst FIFAs I've ever played.
Really?
Yeah.
I
And I'm
thought
like,
it'd be a good
take a
FIFA.
L?
For some reason, I felt this FIFA would be good.
so did I. It's not looking good right now. I'll be playing pro clubs. That's it. Until further notice. Maybe it's just some growing pains. They got to fix some stuff, but pro clubs looks fire now. not worth buying it. I don't know if it's not worth buying. Like if you're like me, like I'm always gonna get the new FIFA because like all my boys have it. You know what I mean? So, but if you're just gonna play by yourself, probably not.
Is the actual gameplay worse?
Yeah, that's what's worse. The gameplay. The features are better. The gameplay is whew, bad.
My angel eyes. Yeah, I hope Angel's not ass too. Because usually if FIFA's ass, then Angel's probably ass
Then
too.
Bro,
they
they just
probably
changed the
rushed all
engine.
their shit.
It's so slow.
Isn't it like Frostbite engine?
The old engine was Frostbite and it was fire. The
That's
new engine is Hypermotion. It's garbage.
Oh.
How to buy
There's
it?
crossplay though. You can get FIFA done and we could play.
I want no smoke in that game. I probably pick it up pretty easily, but
Oh, they nerfed me. They took out so many good features that I was good at. I feel average.
there's a new Apex season
I know Storm Point's back. We only played that map for like
once.
one day.
Yeah.
Apparently it's the best map.
Let's run it.
Oh, Apex?
Haven't played in so long. How big games in a minute? Thoughts on going to weekly? We broke it down this morning already. You can go back and watch it in the beginning of the streams today. We did a weekly breakdown before we started doing anything. Man. Yo, Wix.
Come on.
Is outside like raining still for you?
Yeah.
Is it like not over yet? Like when's the hurricane over?
I don't know. Ask him when he's done coming through here.
Like how long does a hurricane usually
Yo,
last
how
though?
long you gonna be, dog? Got
Yo,
shit to
Ian,
do.
what's it called? Ian?
Yeah.
It's called Ian, right?
Ian. Yeah.
Yeah.
Ian.
If I saw Hurricane of Ian, man, I could not take it seriously.
Word. Get your ass out my yard.
How long hurricanes usually last?
I don't know. It's like it's raining on and off. It's not like we're not directly hit by like 100, mile per hour winds.
So what happens in Canada? Do you guys have earthquakes?
Yeah, but they're like very real low.
Oh,
Like how's it go by again? It goes by
California gets some earthquakes. You guys live on a fucking Etch-a-Sketch.
We live on
the roads just change every other week with a fucking earthquake, don't they?
San Andreas fault.
we got one for 3.4. I don't know. Like how's it? What's it go by?
No, like done. You get like Cali gets earthquakes.
We got nothing, man. We got like our little rumble. Like that's it. Like the thing moves like.
Nah. Like you'll end up on a different street. Like your address changes and shit in Cali after an earthquake.
Oh, wait, so you can be good?
Yeah, I'm not like just.
You're built different?
Yeah. It's been raining like crazy. I know how to swim. We're fine.
All right. Don't worry, guys. Wix can swim.
Wait, so
He's got that penthouse view. He's safe.
next time we got to hold his door, like, nah, ain't breaking me.
I don't know. Living on the beach during a hurricane sounds scary.
Yeah, that is.
So is it like where is it affecting the most right now? Like Tampa?
It went through to the west coast of Florida before making landfall, and then just made a U-turn and just started going towards central Florida.
It's going north now, right?
But it's so big like that, we still like on the outskirts of the storm. You still feel, you still feel the wind. You still, get the rain. It's just not crazy, like right in the middle of the storm.
Aren't your kids scared?
They love this shit. They got a day off
I used
today.
to love
They got a
hurricanes.
day
What
off
the
tomorrow.
fuck?
They closed the schools.
My parents used to put us in the bathtub with blankets and mattresses on the windows, and we used to play like board games during the hurricane. We didn't know what was going on.
Wow.
I'm
Ow,
this
so
is
y'all got-
fun.
Yeah, until you
Yeah.
smell that,
one of the only places in the world you get no school from tropical storms.
Yeah, bro. Worst thing I did was a tornado that was like an hour away from me.
You see how
Tornadoes
I
are
close it
scarier
up?
though, low key, no? Like if
Tornadoes?
it's on you, yeah,
Bro, tornadoes
Yeah.
gotta be the scariest thing.
yeah,
ever.
right.
We have 3 or 4 tornado warnings just in the evening last night. Like,
What's the
before
scariest natural disaster? Tornado?
No.
Volcano?
No, you're
You think tornadoes up
natural
there?
disaster.
Tornadoes gotta be
Oh,
number one, bro.
tsunami,
That thing
no?
gets near you, it just whips you into the air.
Nah, tsunamis.
Tsunami, right?
Nah,
I can swim. I'm built
Nah.
different.
Nah, I cannot swim like
Fo-
that.
Nah, you cannot swim against that shit.
Nah.
I'm built
thing
different.
is
Don't worry.
wild,
Don't worry
man.
about it. Don't worry about it.
It's like saying getting slipped on gold 100 pips.
I'll surf that shit.
Fucking asteroid hits Earth. That's your
Bro,
fucking.
that's not a natural disaster.
That's your
The world's
natural
just over.
disaster.
No, that's a natural disaster.
That's your natural disaster.
It might just take out one continent. So I mean,
Did you see that they were trying to deflect the asteroid the other day? It was live on TV.
Every month I see an asteroid on Twitter. Mudslides. I like
No.
mudslides. Little drizzle,
Oh,
chocolate
muds.
drizzle. A vodka.
stick.
This shit is funny. Hey Luke, that's the only reason I came. I feel like the stream hadn't had a single joke for 10 days.
Stream's terrible.
Yeah, the stream sucks.
Worst stream of all time.
The worst
Nope,
stream
No. Sorry, the
YouTube.
second worst stream of all time. The worst stream of all time was on my birthday.
Oh, that was the worst stream of all time.
That was the
The
worst. I
worst.
can't believe I showed up for that.
Can't believe I celebrated.
What happened?
Fuck.
2 L's, one
Yeah.
Wordle L
Yeah.
on the
we-
Friday,
it-
and I
on
got
a-
my iPhone
on a-
that day.
It was
on
the
a
holy
Friday.
trinity of L's.
Yeah, that was a tough
With
day.
all 3 of us.
I remember that day
Ooh.
clearly.
We're not celebrating my birthday ever again. We just
Never.
started. When's your birthday? It doesn't exist.
I didn't even trade on my birthday.
All ants attacked at once. My brother. If 2.5 million ants came at me, I'd just step on them.
Word.
That's
Dead
crazy.
all in one step.
Like, yeah, that's an ultra kill. I'm gonna get a nuke.
World's fastest nuke.
All right, y'all. I'm calling it. I'm about to go back to bed. Eat some breakfast or something.
Yeah, it's like what time? 6 for you? No, 5?
It's about to be 6.
Oh, you're West Coast?
Crazy.
Yeah.
What the hell?
Yeah, she lived in our life.
the
Lived
heck?
I
last
cannot
month.
believe you've been getting up all this time.
Yep. That's
Word.
my life now.
You have not given her enough credit.
Yeah, I didn't.
It's
All right.
my life. It's really
Very
not that bad though. But all right, you guys. I'll see you guys later.
All right, take it
Safe
easy,
trading.
K.
GN.
How do I get off here?
Or it will kick you. Fine.
Then there were 2.
Yo, Don.
Yep.
Can you put the rainbow badge as 12 months?
What did I have it as? 2 years?
2 years, bro. I don't want to wait that long.
Wait, hold on. Wait.
Cat loves rainbows.
What's next?
The blue one, bro. It's underwhelming. You need to make the last one like better.
24 months? What am I trying to get you guys to do? A blue
That's what I'm
badge.
saying. 2 years. I could die by
No,
then. I
I'm
wanna get
changing
the
all this
rainbow.
shit though. I'm gonna change the DVS logos.
All right.
Cause
Well,
I
3
don't want to
months.
celebrate no more. I want DVS more. You know, makes more sense, right?
Yeah.
Cause Kai Sinet and those guys have like their shit name, not their just. They have their what's it called? Their brand name, I guess. AMP. Yo,
I just
Kai
watched
Sinet.
Kai with Kyrie Irving stream. Our video. Fire.
Hey, with Bruce and who else is there? Bruce drop him off, Kai Sinat, and the other guy. I forgot who it was. Yeah, that's crazy. Shout out to Aiden. I worked hard for a gold star for you to change it. Nah, you guys will still get the same like monthly badge, but or your age, yeah. You guys still get the same monthly badge, just a different logo, you know. What did this thing do today? Let's see. Nice. If the GG closes back in the range on a 1 hour, would you take a buy as a fake out? Probably not. No. If GG closes like this, I'll probably call that a day. And GG, I'll probably just chalk GG for a day. And then if gold closes above, I'll look for buys. Yeah. But maybe may also be a day. Depends where we close. If you can close holding above 35 on 4H, we may have potential buys. Yeah. But I have no problem calling it a day right now, to be honest, at all. Where though?
Sure. Not even.
Yo,
mine.
where were you yesterday? You just wearing your desktop?
Where were you?
What do you mean? Yesterday's New York stream. Or no, Monday's New York stream. Sorry, Monday, not yesterday.
I'm gonna say. Monday I was still in Sunday mode.
Yeah, yesterday I was chilling.
Why you lose your voice, huh?
Lost my voice, lost my phone. I couldn't do anything yesterday. Couldn't function. That typical gold and GG seems to move so similarly lately. Is that typical that gold and GG move so similarly? Again, like they would move in the same direction, but when you have direct news for the US that comes out, that's when they'll split up, because GJ correlates gold, right, with the yen. Yeah, Broly's watching everyone laughing yesterday. Broly gave my guys a heart attack. Hey, that video got 5K viewers though. I'm kind of sad though. Like, that video has 5K viewers, but you guys couldn't give this video here more viewers. Come on, like, come on. This one had more viewers than the vlog, bruh.
Drop a like.
I'm gonna have to give you guys a heart attack every day now on the video.
And go watch that video. Yo, what goes on? You getting this 4090?
Yeah, October 8, right? When's it coming out?
4090.
I'm getting a PC. I'm getting a new PC. I'm getting that plus a pre-built if I can get one.
Nice, yeah.
Are you gonna go to NZXT?
Yeah,
No.
but I'm trying. Like, how long does that
Don't do
take?
it.
Like, off release day, I think it's impossible. Really, it might take a couple months.
You could get.
It's amazing.
Pardon?
I said I love my NZXT.
You're 3080, yeah.
Beautiful.
A 3090. What do you have? 3080
They're cool.
Ti?
3080 Ti.
Yeah, that's all you need. I'm gonna get the 4090 just because I'm gonna have
4090,
a couple years
dog.
probably.
When's that come out? Next month?
Yeah.
I mean, you could technically. Your specs are good, no? What kind of motherboard do you have? And
No, I
what
want a
kind
second
of
PC so I can stream in game. Like, this is my streaming one. This is my. I'll have a gaming one next to it.
So you're gonna get the latest 12th gen CPU and shit.
Yeah. How much is
What
it
takes more
Canadian?
power, streaming or gaming?
12900.
I think streaming takes a good part of your CPU. Gaming just takes part of your GPU. But when
That makes sense.
you're on the same PC, obviously, it slows both down a little bit.
Doesn't matter. When you got a 4090, it doesn't matter. You don't even need a
Yeah,
stand-up desk.
but
You just float.
yo, this 4090 is how much?
I don't know. Go to
2000
some of
around
the
there.
because some of these places go to the places that build the PCs. Some of them they get access to it. Just order your PC. See if NZXT has it already, or if they have access to it, or if they're building anything with them. Or go to my cyber PC or some. Oh, these are pre-built.
They don't
Those
have
are all-
pre-orders for 4090? No, they don't. They didn't have I gotta wait till it comes out then, officially. I wanna play sure budget 3,000 plus. Yeah, nah, they don't even have yeah, wait.
You get a 4090, you're gonna be at 5K and up.
Yeah. Yeah, October 12th or 11th, yep. Or November 12th. Yeah, new PC. New PC chat. To make me a better gamer, right?
Old PC giveaway.
Huh?
Old PC giveaway.
No, I need this though. Well, I have my other PC still that's kind of broken.
Broken PC
I'm
giveaway.
not gonna give away a broken PC, bro. How mean do I gotta be to give away a broken PC? Is it still the same as trades taken? No, it's a little different. That's it's just, that has off stream trades too, like Asian, London, and pre New York or after New York. All right, for our close, chat. Look like we may call it a day, to be honest. Depends how for our close there.
Gonna be a earlier Wordle than usual.
You see that trade today, Wix, or no?
Oh. I did know.
Probably some Apex or Warzone today, to be honest. I miss playing Warzone. Yo, Marcus, I'm going controller mode for the new COD.
About time.
Going back to controller
That's how it should be.
because it's basically cheating. It's very broken
Classic-
this year. They said
Classic mouse and keyboard guy. It's cheating. Mouse and keyboard's cheating.
no, not.
You shouldn't be able to use a fucking thing that you use to type and something you use to click for a video game.
Put me in
buttons.
Warzone lobby.
This is why real esports is on controller.
You should not have buttons.
It's crazy. COD was on controller every year for like ever. And as soon as it came to mouse and keyboard, they're like, dude, controller's broken. What?
Well, yeah, it is. It's not broken like we're complaining though. It's just like it should be. It's not like they
Oh, it
gotta
should be.
give like some type of assist on keyboard and mouse.
No, it'd be too overpowered.
That's the thing. That's why it's
can't-
like it
on a
doesn't
controller,
make
you
sense.
can't-
It would never
You
be
can't
like fair.
pinpoint- You can't pinpoint aim on a controller. It's impossible. With a thumbstick. You know what I mean? You don't have like a mouse click. Damn, Macho. That was abrupt.
Yeah. Thoughts on SMC? Thanks. It's a great business. Hope you have an amazing day. Peace out, DBS. Yo, peace out, Macho. Yeah, it might be out too in about 3 minutes here, maybe. But it like we're not. It looking like we're not gonna get anything, to be honest, chat. Like, look at the 4 count on gold here is might close respect the resistance. This is back in the range. GJ in the range as well. Like, we already made our profits for a day. Like, there's no reason to just throw it away now, right? If I do take a third trade, I'll maybe risk half my profits, but I'm pretty happy with my profits today. Pretty steady with it. Might just move on to tomorrow, to be honest, or H session tonight. No point staying at 10 a.m. right? At all. On a day like today. I thought today'd be a bit more aggro than normal because of that push we had from GJ this morning, but I guess not.
Came all the way back.
Yeah, came all the way back.
Oh.
At this point, your bias is bullish. Would you consider on onion or fake on gold bias? I would consider, yeah, onion. But the thing about the onion is that won't come until like maybe 9:30 or not even like maybe 10. Because for an onion, you need something like this to happen, right? You need support to form, a bullish closure of support to retest the highs. Right, this is what you need for an onion. You need to form that support first. So we might not even get that. Price may just pop up, right? So yeah, I just wait for that, to be honest. Or you, if you're looking for that, but most likely calling it a day because that won't come till late, 10 a.m. What would you do with GJ right now? Nothing really, to be honest. You're just back in your range, really. The 4 candle is back in this range here. I don't really like the way it looks, really. It's at this resistance, it's at the support. It's just in this mini range. I want to wait for a breakout. That probably won't come to Asian because the next 4 candles at 1 a.m. or 1 p.m. And then after 1 p.m. you have no volume, so you're gonna have to wait for the new 4 hour, which comes at 5 a.m. or 5 p.m. And that's the Asian opening. So you might as well wait till Asian officially opens at 8. So yeah, I'll see you guys on Wix's stream probably.
The whipsaw.
Hey.
Yeah, this thing flew all the way up before 6 a.m. Drove all the way back down.
Such an ugly candle.
Might close doji.
Doja.
Yeah, chat. Look at this. 4, 3, 2, 1. Gold. Back in the range it goes. It could definitely still drive out. Don't get me wrong. The range going up here isn't bad. It's like around a 110 bit range going up, but
Hey.
it's not bad. You can definitely drop to 1639 here, but probably gonna call it a day. And then GJ here closes bearish in 4. Could definitely still drive down. Don't get me wrong, but I'll wait for a breakup below 153,400. All right. But before I hop off, obviously, let's do a wordo. Let's do a wordo chat. Time to sell gold. This is your 6th time saying that today, Peter. Which one is it?
Peter. Peter.
You don't see me saying time to sell gold, 10 times a day.
Mom,
I'm in one
Peter.
position. I tell you guys, and that's it. All right, let's do a trade here. Let's do this wordo trade. I'm doing rings. Yeah. Okay.
Damn. S. Sour. Eh.
Sours. Yeah. I love sours. That's good. That's a good guess.
It can't be
No, you need an R. You need an R.
can't be
I know there's no S at the end. That would be a good guess. It's a good guess regardless.
Sword. SWORD.
no D.
No D.
Sworn. N.
No N.
What? Oh.
Could be.
Snort. OT.
No N.
There you go. Score. No N. Spork.
Yeah, sort.
Spork. The cat.
Fork. Fork.
Spork.
What's that? Was
That's
that,
a half. It's a half fork, half spoon.
What's that?
Should
What's
they
that
give you an
movie? The
elementary
Toys?
school
No,
for
what's it
it?
called? What's that movie? Toys. Toys?
Huh?
What?
What'd you
Sporky?
say?
Remember
Toy
Sporky?
Story?
Toy Story, yeah, Sporky.
You're just like me. Trash.
I love Sporky, bro. That was my favorite character.
God damn, we still don't know where. All right, so the S has to be second or middle. So probably second.
Oh, there's a P in there.
PS could be a PSY.
No, the R is second.
Psych. It's like the fuck out.
Saya.
Pardon?
So P is last. URP. Usurp.
Can I start
Oh
repeat?
shit, like usurp. Like the usurper. US. It's USURP.
What the fuck?
That's a good fucking wordle.
That's a good guess.
Yo.
I could never guess that.
That's a good wordle. Hell yeah.
Usurp.
On the fourth try? I feel like that's a good word. A usurper is like someone who conquers and takes shit. Crazy.
Yeah, I'll give that to you, man. Not
All
gonna
that Game
lie.
of Thrones, man.
I'll give that to you. That was a good guess.
I'm proud of that one. That's a good one.
Chat show. That was it for a day. W word
Damn,
on
someone
W
was
day.
spamming usurp. Relax.
W trades. Right, Marcos? Good percentage
W.
today.
W.
Good percentage, Wicks.
Let's see what
Nice
percentage
Asian.
I made.
Nice Asian, nice London, nice New York. Time to move on to the second last day of September. Tomorrow, chat. 29 tomorrow. We'll be here tomorrow at 6:30 a.m. Eastern. Tomorrow is Thursday. Tomorrow is going to be an interesting day. Well, you have unemployment claims, so some semi-decent. But yeah, I'll catch you guys tomorrow on the streams, all right? If you guys are looking at trade Asian tonight, you can tune into Wick's stream. He's on a little winning streak right now, I think.
Hey, yo.
So, yeah,
Free
check that
plug.
out, all right?
Free promo.
Peace
Yeah,
out, chat. Love you guys.
Shameless plug.
Catch y'all tomorrow morning.
Peace and love. Peace and love.
Video.
Love you guys.
That's why I pick and choose. I don't get shit confused. I got a small circle. I'm not with different crews. We walk the same path, but got on different shoes. Live in the same building, but we got different views. I got a couple cars I never get to use. Don't like my women single. I like my chicks in twos. And these days, all the girls is down the road. I hit the strip club and all the bitches find a pole. Plus, I've been sipping, so the shit
I
is
got
moving
mod and
kinda
never showed up
slow.
again.
Just tell my girl to tell a friend that it's time to go.
Night.
You know you at the top and only heaven's right above it. We own. It's young money, motherfucker. If you ain't running with it, run from it, motherfucker. Alright. Now somebody show some money in this bitch. And I got my bees with me like some honey in this bitch. You dig? I got my gun in my boot purse and I don't bust back because I shoot first. Meet me on the fresh train. Yes, I'm in the building. You just on the list of guest names.
Yes,
And
names.
all of my riders do not give a fuck. X games. Guns turn you boys into pussies. Sex change. And I smoke till I got chest pains. And you niggas know I rep my gang like Jesse
I wanna hear a
James.
different
Women
song.
are
Sorry about
possessive.
that.
And they wanna possess Wayne. I've been blind so long I fell asleep on the fucking plane. Skinny pants and some Vans. Call me Triple A, get my advance in advance. Amen. As the world spinning, dance in my hands. Life is a beach, I'm just playing in the sand. Wake up and smell a pussy. You niggas can't see me, but
I want to hear a different song, chat. This is a crazy, euphoric experience when I went to the concert. Crazy. It was crazy.
Remember, I was your hero. Yeah. than zero. Oh yeah. You tried your best with me, I know. I couldn't face you with my darkest truth of all. Cause I can't get it out of my head. No, I can't shake this feeling that crawls in my bed. I try to hide it, but I know you know me. I try to fight it, but I'd rather be free. Oh, yeah. Can we meet in the middle? Oh yeah. 'Cause you were just like me before. Now you'd rather leave me than to watch me die in your arms. But I can't get it out of my head. No, I can't shake this feeling that crawls in my bed. I try to hide it, but I know you know me. I try to fight it, but I'd rather be free. Oh, I can't get it out of my head. No, I can't shake this feeling that crawls in my bed. I try to hide it, but I know you know me. I try to fight it, but I'd rather be free. Yeah, I'll always be less than zero. You tried your best with me, I know.